If you are using the Poshmark app and are a shopper or a seller, as you know, the app is constantly improving and they're coming out with new features and updates. My name is Alina, I'm a part-time Poshmark reseller, and welcome to my video. Let's talk about the new features revealed at the October 2023 PoshFest. Posh Party Live. In a word, this is like one of those theme parties that Poshmark has daily, but live. It's still in beta testing, but basically, if you are running a show and auctioning during the regular Poshmark theme party time with listings that meet the criteria, your show will automatically join the community live party where you have a lot of eyes on your listings. You and your shoppers will see a welcome message during your show once this happens. When choosing which listings to feature next on your second device, your tray will automatically filter the listings that meet the party's criteria. You also can add shared listings from the community feed to your show as host picks, and the owner of the listing will be notified that their listing is being auctioned in your show. All they have to do is be present in your show and hit the accept to auction button. I know it's a bit confusing. I needed a minute to understand it myself, but it's basically a feature where everybody can sell together during the themed community parties. And I guess it's mainly meant for Poshers that cannot run individual live shows themselves. The second feature that was presented in the hackathon is the promoted closet feature, which Poshmark claims it increased 80% of listing views, but I think it only increased their pockets, if you ask me. I've been part of the beta testing of this feature, and honestly, I'm not crazy about it. You have to pay north of $30 a week in order to have your listings pushed and viewed by more people. The only decent thing about it is that it gives you real-time stats on the numbers of clicks, listings sold because of the feature, and overall traffic, but this should be common knowledge and sellers should not have to pay for this. I believe I can promote and push the listings myself or with the help of my PosherVA assistant, which, by the way, helped me immensely, and I will link that in the description box so you can try it yourself for 2 weeks for free, or I can also put the video on the screen here. Once you're done with this video, you can come back and click on it. And this video will really break it down for you on how to use PosherVA. The next feature is gift cards. This is a US only feature and will be coming soon, and I guess it's self-explanatory. Every closet can sell gift cards at a certain value where recipients can purchase items from said closet at any time. It's not implemented yet, but it's probably going to kick in just in time for the holidays. Multi-label shipping. Buyers can split bundled orders by purchasing standard shipping labels. If a buyer is purchasing multiple items that are heavier than 5 pounds, as requested by Poshmark, they can purchase additional standard shipping labels. Unless you buy a very small or very light item, I think Poshmark's shipping cost is decent at $97 for up to 5 pounds. Host Summary Report, where a host can see a summary of their live or silent show performance with a list of key metrics on viewership, engagement, and sales. Auto listings. You can take a picture of an item you want to list and auto-generate listing details. Unless the item is new with tags, pre-owned pieces will have something that has to be disclosed like condition, flaws, and measurements. You can do a generic description, but as a seasoned seller, I can suggest you put as many details as possible along with lots of photos of the actual item in your listings. It sounds a lot like Sell Similar from eBay. And lastly, this was introduced previously, and it's the Posh Lens. You can now do a visual search of your item by snapping a picture and hitting search. I'm not a fan of this feature as it never gave me true results. Find it in the search bar in the Shop tab. Just tap the Posh Show Lens icon, center the piece, snap a picture, and supposedly you should find listings of the same piece. Luckily, you have the option to filter your search results, and if you insist, you can find what you're looking for eventually. This feature is available on your iPhone only. I guess this feature is better for buyers than for sellers because I tried to find comps while thrifting and only got annoyed at the results. So I will stick with my Google Lens for now. Some additional features will be revealed with time, but they are closely working on closet redesigning and updated interface. If you have any concerns or ideas, you can contact Poshmark support and let them know. They are open to new ideas and suggestions, and we as sellers and buyers know better what we need, right? I just want that cha-ching sound when something sells. Okay, Poshmark? Let me know down in the comments if this video was useful and interesting to you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!